Now what you see next to me is the first car in the world. It's a replica of that, but we are here at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Pune. And what we are here to do is find out what the brand has planned for 2026. Now there are some major updates. We get to see 12 new launches headed our way. We also get to see a new charging network from Mercedes-Benz, and obviously a major name has now been localized. We're going to catch up on all of that. Let's head inside and see the two new launches that we got to see today from Mercedes-Benz. Now this is the first car I have to show you from the Mercedes-Benz press conference. This is the EQS SUV. अब आप मेरे से पूछोगे यार EQS SUV तो already इंडिया में आती है, but this is the celebration edition. What's the celebration about? Well, the EQS has been doing really well for Mercedes-Benz in India, and they've launched this. And the good thing is, as part of the celebrations, the prices remain the same. Now, what's changed as part of the celebration edition over here? आपको यहाँ पे सामने की तरफ जो है एक AMG line treatment देखने को मिलेगा, which is basically these black elements over here that you see. These add the AMG line styling to the EQS SUV. Now, another bit that you will get to see as the AMG line treatment over here are these wheels. These are 21-inch wheels, and they are these AMG line wheels that really add character to the car. What Mercedes has done is that the AMG line treatment on the EQS SUV, well, that has been made standard on both variants of the SUV. That is the EQS 450 and the EQS 580. Now there are other changes inside as well. Let me quickly show you those. अब एक और change जो मुझे यहाँ पे EQS के celebratory edition में देखने को मिलता है is the rear seat package. And what do I mean by that? Well, the rear seat over here, it now gets ventilation, cooled, and it's heated as well, making the journey more comfortable. Now, one more thing I want to show you is inside. The EQS 580 now gets a third row of seats, which is something Mercedes-Benz says customers really wanted. But the third row treatment, that is reserved only for the EQS 580. The EQS 450 continues to be a 5-seat SUV with only 2 rows of seating. Now with that, let's move on to the next car we have to show you. काफी स्पेशल गाड़ी है ये भी. As I said, I have a special car for you. This is the Mercedes Maybach GLS SUV, a car I really like. Now there are two new pieces of information about it that I want to share with you. First of all, ये Maybach SUV जो है, it's going to be made in India. It's going to be locally produced, and जिसकी वजह से इसका प्राइस 2.75 करोड़ हो गया है. साथ ही साथ, because it's such a popular SUV, Mercedes-Benz wants to celebrate it. So the Mercedes Maybach GLS also now gets a celebration edition. A quick disclaimer, this car is actually the CBU Mercedes Maybach GLS SUV. But what Merc said is, because we've launched the car, the localized version of this car, the CBU version, is also going to be selling at 2.75 crore rupees. That is a really big thing for a manufacturer, and in the meantime, it will be very soon localized, and the localized version will then be hitting showroom floors. अब अंदर चलते हैं, वहाँ पे देखते हैं कि इसमें कोई चेंज है या फिर सेलिब्रेशन एडिशन में क्या आया है. Now please excuse the lighting. I know it's not optimal, but we are inside the Mercedes Maybach GLS SUV. Now here things remain luxurious as ever. The thing, we've been talking to Mercedes-Benz product managers over here, and what they are saying is, even though this is the CBU version, they hope that the localized version of the car will pretty much keep all the features that are there on this car as standard. They've not got the approval yet, but things are looking really positive. So even if you buy the made in India Mercedes Maybach GLS, आपको यहाँ पे शायद हो सकता है कोई भी चीज़ डिफरेंट ना लगे. डिफरेंट कब लगेगी? जब आप सेलिब्रेशन एडिशन की तरफ जाएंगे. अब वहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है? Well, for starters, this entire upholstery is going to be even more premium, if that was possible. What this is a company called Manufacture, which makes Napa leather, which is probably the finest Napa leather in the world. And this entire cabin is going to be decked up in that. यहाँ पे आपको हर जगह वो fine Napa leather देखने को मिलेगा. साथ ही साथ जो upholstery का कलर है, वो आपको ये brown and beige नहीं, it's going to be white. Now there'll be another change, but let's talk about that in the back seat. The back seat, the place I really love. Now I've already told you कि जो पूरी upholstery है वो white color में and काफी fine leather में आने वाली है. साथ ही साथ, it's a celebration edition, right? Well, you'll have the right tools to celebrate, because this area that you see right here behind me, right now, this is a storage unit. But the celebration edition of the Mercedes Maybach GLS SUV will come with a champagne area inside. So you'll have a refrigerated area where there'll be champagne, there'll be glasses, and you can sit with your significant other. So you can just sit in the back seat of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS SUV and sip champagne quietly. Now, another thing that will be different about the Mercedes-Maybach GLS Celebration Edition is the fact that it will get e-active body control. It'll just make the ride even more better. And once again, I did not think that was possible, but that is going to be the case. Now, we've talked about the new cars that Mercedes-Benz has revealed that are going to be coming our way for 2026. They're going to be launching 12 new cars, 2 of which we've already seen over here. Now, what they've also done is launched a new charging network. Let's go check that out. अब एक और important update है Mercedes-Benz के. The Mercedes-Benz app will now also help you charge your Mercedes-Benz EV. अब प्रीवियसली क्या होता था, आप एक प्रीमियम कार खरीद रहे हैं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस खराब होता था जब आप चार्जिंग करने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि अलग अलग चार्जिंग नेटवर्क्स होते हैं, कहीं पे गन्स अवेलेबल हैं चार्जिंग के लिए, कहीं पे काम नहीं कर रही हैं, ये सारे इश्यूज होते हैं, पेमेंट सॉर्ट करनी पड़ती है, कन्वीनियंस जो है वो नहीं थी. Mercedes-Benz has now addressed this issue with their MB चार्ज प्रोग्राम. अब आपकी Mercedes-Benz कार की जो ऐप है उसी में एक चार्जिंग का अलग सेक्शन होगा, जहाँ पे अपने आसपास आप सारे चार्जर्स जो भी अवेलेबल हैं, जो Mercedes-Benz के साथ टाइड अप हैं, उनको ढूंढ सकते हैं, कौन सा अवेलेबल है, उसका नेविगेशन लगा सकते हैं. एंड उसके बाद यू जस्ट गो ओवर देयर, अपना प्लग इन करिए और अपने फ़ोन के ऐप से या फिर अपने गाड़ी के MBUX सिस्टम, जो गाड़ी का इंटरनल इंफोटेनमेंट स्क्रीन सिस्टम होता है, वहाँ से या फिर साथ ही साथ एक RFID कार्ड, किसी भी तीनों ऑप्शन में से किसी एक से भी आप चार्जिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. What is really convenient is that up until the point that you're starting your charging, you don't have to pay anything. आप अपनी चार्जिंग पूरी भी कर ले, उसके बाद आपको पेमेंट करनी होती है, एंड वो भी तुरंत नहीं. Mercedes-Benz will send you a link, and before you go to charge your vehicle the next time, which could be say the next day, which could be the next week, or could be the next month, you have all that time to make that payment. So what Mercedes-Benz with the MB charge system they've done is they've made lives simpler for EV owners. अब यहाँ पे एक बार रीच की अगर बात करें, so Mercedes-Benz says that Q1 of 2026 के end तक they will have tied up with more than 9,000 charging stations across the country, and this number is expected to grow even further in the coming time. So I think for a Mercedes-Benz EV owner, that is real good practicality. Now, that was all from the Mercedes-Benz annual press conference for 2026. Again, a recap: 12 new cars coming this year, 2 we've already seen. There's a new MB charge platform to charge your EV. And another quick thing, the CLA Electric, that's also coming this year. The timeline we don't really know as of yet, but it will be happening in 2026. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.